Alright guys, just picked up this new Rari. No race car, nothing big. That's crazy. Like this actual race car. There we are. Okay. Mocked up. Boys over here doing math. Thing's gonna look sick. Look at that. Almost there. Deal. All right, guys. Well, the M4 is basically done. You guys just seen it. They just need to finish up some stuff tomorrow, so they're closing up right now. Tomorrow will be the full product, all bolted up and ready to go. I really wish it was finished tonight because I do want to take it out tomorrow, but it's all good. Shit is dirty anyways. So what I'm gonna do a little test hit, and I'm gonna see what the boost does. Boost is definitely hitting harder. I just don't know if it's gonna actually maintain it. You guys want to hear something funny? When I first put this kit back on my car, I had like this weird whistling noise, and I'm like, it kind of sounds like a boost leak. Kind of ignoring it. I'm just like, whatever, I don't know, I don't really care right now. But yeah, it was definitely a boost leak. So if you guys are familiar with turbos, there's like a port where you can put like, I guess meth or nitrous or whatever. Basically that wasn't blocked off. So in other words, we had a really nasty boost leak right there. So that was one of them. And then clearly all the damn clamps were leaking. I don't know why, but it sounds hella good now. Very nice. Damn, those lights are bright. That damn blinded me, my boy. Oof. Let's see if this thing holds a boost. Moment of truth. Is the turbo dead, or are we maintaining boost? If we get this car to maintain boost on the other setup with more boost, this shit's gonna be fast. I'm just gonna roll into third because I just want to see what third gear is gonna do. The car does feel better, but it just peaked like 27 and it dropped to 22. And right now I have no boost leaks. It's dropping nasty. It's either the turbo's just like maxed out and it just can't hold the boost. I don't know, maybe there's just too much back pressure or something. I don't know. I want you guys to see this. Here, look. Don't get me wrong, like the car feels great. Obviously, it's still doing over 20 pounds, but it needs to hold that boost. It's not holding shit. It just sucks because it's like, man, I don't even want to take the car out and like do runs like this. We'll be back with another video trying to figure it out, I guess. All right, guys, we're back. lovey-dovey. Gonna fix that soon. Look at that, guys. We are all done. Let me get a little light. Look, that was a huge shout out to the guys over here at Dialed In. They're pretty local, so I was like, why not? You know what I'm saying?
72 hours later.
Coming at you live from the other shoe palace. This thing is finally all cleaned up. And oh man, is she looking good. Caliper soon. That red is really bothering me. Oh man, look at the wing. So freaking sick. Now guys, this is the first wing I've actually ever installed on a car. The only other wings I've had have been like OEM, obviously like the OEM Nismo, but this is the first aftermarket wing that I've ever installed on a car. That can tell you a lot about me. Not a big wing guy, but yeah, there was something about this wing and this car. Oof, it looks freaking sick. I'm so glad, so glad I didn't choose the other one. I was like almost, I promise you guys, I was like probably not even, I was gonna say this close, but I was like this close to buying the other wing just because nobody had it. It was brand new, they just dropped it. There's two versions of the Adro wing. The other one is kind of designed for wide body. That's why I was like, I couldn't really find any photos at the time of one on a stock body M4, and I just, in my head, I was doing like Photoshop and kind of like getting an idea, and I was like, nah. So the other wing probably came out to about like right here. That wouldn't have been it for me. So this one, 100%, it's definitely not doing too much, but it is just enough. Like, just enough, couldn't be any better for an assumption on how this wing looks on this car. So yeah, we're finally gonna be outside, and this is gonna be the first day I'm doing a photo shoot with this car, believe it or not. We got my boy Whistle and Diesel transporting the new build. Hold on. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm hungry as hell, so I'm about to hit this Cane's real quick just to grab a quick bite, and I'm gonna be linking up with my boy Ali, and we're gonna be getting some shots of the M4. Since I'm pretty happy on how it looks right now, even though it's not fully done, but I'm pretty damn happy on how the car looks, so it's definitely ready to get some photos. Alright guys, we are almost to the spot. I never shot here, so don't know what to expect, but it should be cool. It's crazy how fast the scenery changed. Crazy. Oh, that's bright. God damn. Alright, finally guys. We got the spot all squared away. Damn, how did that happen? Sad boys. Oh well. Man, it's been a struggle trying to get the shots, bro. Cars keep coming up and down this narrow ass road. Keep having to move it. But shit looks sick. I thought these fools was about to murder me. They brought me in the middle of nowhere, bro. About to dump my shit. Just roll me down there. Ain't she looking clean? I just want to lower it a little bit more. It's not freshified. Well, that's a wrap for that shoot. Pics are gonna come out pretty hard. Can't wait. Ooh, it's a nice turn and drift right here. Ooh. The views is kind of hitting right now. God damn, there's traffic everywhere I look.